The village at Glen Ridge features 5 floor plans with rear entry 2-car garages that increase curb appeal and create a strong sense of community. Many of our plans feature a front porch and a rear privacy patio. All of the models have 3 or 4 bedrooms and can be completed to include ADA-compliant standards. Many upgrades are included as standard features include all granite countertops. With snow removal and lawn care included in the condo fee, you can leave your lawn mower behind.